Language lovers, welcome back. Today we're gonna see some basic verbs in English, Arabic, and Indonesian. 12 basic verbs, 6 versus 6. 6 and their opposites. So we start with the title. Basic verbs, part 2. We write the verbs in English, Arabic, and Indonesian. We see 6 verbs and their opposites, their antonyms. Verb number 1 for today is get. Get. In Arabic, it's يحصل. يحصل. In Bahasa Indonesia, it's mendapat. Mendapat. That's the first verb for today. And the opposite of get, if you don't get it, you look for it. It means you are searching for it. Let's make things look better first. Okay. Number 2 is search. The opposite of get is search. يبحث. يبحث. Okay. So what is يبحث in Indonesian? It's mencari. Mencari. Alright, cool. Verb number 3. Read. How to say read in Arabic? Okay, it's يقرأ. يقرأ. Read, يقرأ. In Indonesian, it's membaca. Membaca. Baca. Like get, dapat, cari, baca, mendapat, mencari, membaca. What's the opposite of read? It's write. Correct. The verb to write in Arabic is يكتب. يكتب. All right. يكتب. Those marks actually they are actions. In Indonesian, it's mentulis. Mentulis. Okay, we move to the 5th. Our 5th verb for today is open. How to say open in Arabic? It's يفتح. يفتح. Cool. What is يفتح in Bahasa Indonesia? It's membuka. Membuka. You can drop that men, so just say buka, tulis, baca, cari, dapat. What is the opposite of open? It's close. And what is close in Arabic? It's يغلق. يغلق. What is يغلق in Indonesian? It's mentutup. Tutup or mentutup. All right. So get, search, read, write, open, and close. Let's underline the titles: English, Arabic, and Indonesian. So get يحصلوا من dapat, search يبحثوا من cari, etc. Stop whenever you need. Next, we write the language first: English, Arabic, and Indonesian. All right, cool. Underline, don't forget. Yep. Thanks. Verb number 7. Sit. Be careful, it's sit. Short E. يجلس. يجلس. Sit is يجلس. In Indonesian, it's duduk. Duduk. That K is not pronounced K. It's E. Duduk. Something like this. What is the opposite of sit? It's stand. So what is stand in Arabic? It's yaqifu. Yaqifu. What is yaqifu in Indonesian? It's berdiri. Berdiri. Duduk. The opposite is berdiri. Number 9. Push. What is push in Arabic? It's يدفع. يدفع. What is يدفع in Indonesian? mendorong. Mendorong. Or, as I told you, we can drop that men, so just say dorong. Dorong. Number 10. What is the opposite of push? It's pull. Pull. يسحب. يسحب. What is يسحب in Indonesian? It's tarik. Tarik. I'm not sure. Can we say mentarik? Indonesian friends, please. Is it correct to say mentarik? Because I've never heard it. I always hear tarik. Please confirm it, okay? Alright, number 11. We have the verb love. Love. What is love in Arabic? It's yuhibbu. Yuhibbu. In Indonesian, it's mencintai. 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 The opposite of love is hate. Hate in Arabic is yakrahu. Yakrahu. What is yakrahu? Membenci. 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 Oh yeah, number 11, love mencintai, or we can say mensukai. Suka, I think, like, but they use it mensukai. Cinta is love. Suka, I think it's like, but they use it to tell about things they love. Food or drinks or whatever it is. So they can say saya suka, which is I love. All right. Let's do some quiz or test. But this time you do everything. Okay, I give you a sentence in English, like number 1, he, the verb is love. He loves. What you do is you give me the Arabic for he loves and the Indonesian for the same sentence, he loves. At least give me one, Arabic or Indonesian. It would be great if you give me both. Sentence number 2, we change the subject pronoun, plural, they. They hate. So how to say they hate in Arabic, and how to say they hate in Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language. All right. Third sentence. Again, we change the subject, we put another subject. Let's use we. We, and the verb is come. We saw that yesterday. What is the Arabic for we come? And what is the Indonesian for we come? Write in a comment, please. Number 4. Hopefully you're thinking of the right answer. Number 4. You pull. For example, you pull the door. What is the Arabic for you pull? And what is the Indonesian for you pull? Indonesian. All right. And the last quiz, or sorry, the last sentence for today. She stands. She stands in Arabic, and she stands in Indonesian. All right, I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Till then, to be continued. We will have more lessons like these. Thanks for watching.